Nowadays, this feature is quite common on social media and it's called as progress bar, and you might have wondered that how to set this on Premiere Pro. Let's learn. For this, right click on your project window, select new item and choose color mate. Here in a color grade, choose white color, click OK and name it as 1. Follow the same procedure for second color mate. Right click on the project window, choose new item, color mate and choose color of somewhat like gray. Click OK and name it as number 2. Now drag two items on a timeline, whereas number 1 is on top of a number 2. So gray is on top of a white. Click on number 2 color mate, go to effect controls, on motion effects, uncheck the uniform scale you find over there. Now in a scale height, reduce the size to 7. And for number 2, that is white color mate, choose the one, go to effect controls and in a motion effects, uncheck the uniform scale the same way and change the scale height to 6. Now select number 2, go to effects and search for linear wipe. Drag and drop it on top of a number 1. So now in effects control, scroll down on effects linear wipe, set wipe angle to -90 degrees. So on a timeline, bring it to 0.0 seconds, that is the starting point of the video. On effect control, in a wipe angle effect, set the keyframe of a transition value to the 100% in a starting position and 0% in a ending position. This way you can set your color grade mate or a progress bar in your video. To change the color, you can double click on a color mate and change the appropriate color that you wish to apply. So this is how you can set the progress bar on a Premiere Pro on your video.
If you want to know how I added this percentage counter on top of a progress bar, then click on this video.
Now don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.